Let's talk about appliques today. I'm going to show you a super easy and fast way to apply appliques to your project. The tools you'll need for this project is fabric, lightweight fusible interfacing, and a pen to trace your pattern. The most common way I've seen to prepare appliques is this technique of cutting it out and then making small cuts all the way around and folding it over the stencil, then ironing it. This works, but the smaller the applique, the harder this is to do. Let me show you a super easy way to do this instead. The first step is to place the interfacing with the glue side towards the right side of your fabric. Trace the design and pin it in place. You can trim the fabric first, but I like to sew the design first. This is a pretty small design, so I'm going to go really slow, taking my time sewing it. Now I can trim that excess off. Next, cut a slit into the interfacing. Cut it enough so that you can turn the applique right side out without tearing the interfacing. Take your time on this step. The interfacing is delicate, so you want to go really slow. Use a tool to push out the intricate corners. As I'm doing this, you can see that the glue side of the interfacing is now on the outside. Once I have my applique all turned out, I can place it where I want it on my project and then use an iron to fuse it down. Now it will stay in place when I top stitch it. I could also hand stitch this using an invisible or ladder stitch. If you want the applique to be a bit softer, you can trim the center of the interfacing so that just the edges are left and then fuse it down. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this technique and how you think you'll use it. And be sure to follow me on YouTube, So Practical, So Fun, for more fun sewing tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, guys.